everyone, this is Mark from MrHurricaneTracker.com. We are all eyes on Tropical Storm Igor. This is going to be an update for you as of 11 a.m. Atlantic Standard Time, September 9, 2010, advisory number 5. First things first, I'm going to go ahead and again give you a good image of Tropical Storm Igor from the Google Earth Maps. On the top left and top right hand side of your screen, I'm going to go ahead and post some images that are from myfoxhurricane.com. It's a very good website. I'm going to go ahead and post these images as well on MrHurricaneTracker.com. We have the first image on the top left hand side of your screen, which is a very important image showing the models of the track where it could change. And right now that's possibly a little bit too early to tell in the track, but it gives you some good information on where the storm could go. And right now, again, like I said, it's too early to tell because the storm did change its track to a northwestward movement. And right now, this area where the models show that it could go anywhere from a north position down to a south position when it gets into the area about the 14th of September. So we're going to have to keep a close eye on that and let you know exactly where that storm heads. But right now, it's too early to tell if there is going to be any landfall from the storm, but we won't rule out any possibilities because it's going to possibly become a hurricane according to the National Hurricane Center. In fact, if you take a look at the image on the right hand side of your screen, we're showing a possibility of all the way up to a category 2 hurricane. According to the National Hurricane Center, by Sunday morning at 8 o'clock the storm could become a hurricane. So we're going to track it first. We got information from the National Hurricane Center here showing its location in latitude 14.7 north, longitude 24.8 west, winds at 40 miles per hour at this time, minimum central pressure at 1,006 millibars, and it's now moving at a north-northwest movement at 6 miles per hour. Again, that's only 6 miles per hour, and everybody knows the storm moves that slow, and if the waters are warm enough, it will increase in size. And according to the National Hurricane Center right here, it does show that it become a hurricane again by Sunday morning and a category 2 by Tuesday morning with 100-mile-an-hour winds. And again, since it's so far out there, this storm has many possibilities of becoming an even more powerful storm. So we're going to have to keep a close eye on that. We have some other storms that may be coming off the South African coast. We're going to have to keep an eye on that as well. But as we go on out here to the Windward Islands, so a little bit north of there, we show a storm here that's trying to develop. In fact, the National Hurricane Center is giving this wide area of low pressure, and it's a weak area of low pressure, a 40% chance of developing as it continues to move west, and could pose a threat to the Caribbean area all the way up to the Gulf of Mexico. So we're going to have to keep a close eye on that one as well. And right here, I wanted to go ahead and watch this area. And the reason I'm saying that, because if anything develops in the Eastern Pacific and comes off the Mexico City area and continues to move on out, that's going to be a major concern because that's how Tropical Storm Hermine formed and surprised everybody. So we're going to keep a very close eye on this area. If anything does develop, I'll start posting information on it, and we'll just try to track that. If anything does happen, even though the National Hurricane Center is not posting anything about it, we'll track it for you. So once again, MrHurricaneTracker.com. Keep updated with the latest information, and also YouTube.com/MrHurricaneTracker. Don't forget to subscribe to get the latest information on what's happening out there in the tropics. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and have a great day.